Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you change your wallpaper in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your wallpaper in Vivo phone. So as you can change your wallpaper in Vivo phone. So let's see how to change wallpaper in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching a video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video friends. First of all open your phone setting to change your wallpaper. Just click on lock screen and wallpaper. Click on wallpaper. And guys, you want to download wallpaper and change, so guys you can download. After that guys you can change, but guys I have some download wallpapers. So I click on local image and guys download. So we will change from here like that. Guys, we will take any wallpaper like this girl one. Guys, we will take this one. And guys, you can set from here. Guys, you can see lock screen, home screen, both. So we will click on guys both. And guys right click here, then guys wallpaper will change in our Vivo phone. As you can see, outside wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, and guys inside wallpaper. So I hope friends you have understood how to change wallpaper in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.